Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains, and today we have 2013 Nissan Murano ST, stock reference number 4880. This shape runs from the 12th month 2008 through to the 12th month 2014. It has a VQ35 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. VQ35 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather center console lid, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.